Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the main control board in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a putty knife. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the control panel assembly. Next, insert a putty knife under the front corners of the control panel housing to release the clips securing the housing. Disconnect the user interface control wire connector so you can set the control panel assembly aside. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the main control board. Then disconnect them. Detach the air pressure tube from the board as well. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the screw securing the control board. Release the wires from the retainers, and you can remove the old board. To install the new main control board, insert the side clips into the slot in the main top. Then thread the screw to secure. Secure the wiring under the retainers. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the board. Attach the air pressure tube as well. Reconnect the user interface control wire connector to the main control board. Insert the rear control panel housing clips into the rear slots in the main top first, then snap the front clips into place. Rethread the 2 rear screws to fully secure. Move the washer back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.